till I can't no more.
I got the horses in the bag. Horse stock is.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Investing Mania. Terry here. Are you learning about stock or ETF investing? Or planning to start investing already? No matter what your answer is, it is always good for you to learn about investing if you are always dreaming of financial freedom. Today, I'll share with you how to register an account in Tiger Brokers app, how to deposit and withdraw, and how to buy or sell a stock. Before we continue, please help me to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. As an appreciation, I'll show you a baby tiger swimming video. Today's video is not a financial advice. Please always do your own research before making any investment decision. If you sign up now, you will receive 1 free Grab share and 180 days zero commission for US stock trading. And if you deposit 2,000 Singapore dollar and above during your first deposit, you will get a lucky draw to get one of these shares, with Tesla shares being the highest worth now. If your first deposit is less than 2,000 Singapore dollar, sorry, no lucky draw for you. First, click on the register link in the description below to sign up in order to get the sign up and deposit bonus. You can sign up via email or phone number. Create a login password and click sign up. Fill in your information of country and check this checkbox if you are not from the US. Then click continue. You can input your personal details manually, or if you are a SingPass holder, you can click open account with My Info. Tap the QR code to log in with SingPass app, or you can choose to log in with the password. Click I agree. Scroll down. Fill in your phone number and click get code. Type the code in once you receive it via SMS and click continue. Fill in your job information and click continue. For account type, I personally select margin account because cash account can't sell options of stock and ETF, which is a very important part of my investment strategy. Select your investment experience and click continue. Input your asset information, source of fund, investment objective and click continue. In customer account review, you will need to at least fulfill one of the 4 sections to be deemed as qualified. If you have zero experience in investment and has no qualification and work experience in accounting and finance field, you will have to click on the link here to complete SGX learning module and assessment online and select pass after passing the assessment. Once done, click continue. Browse through the agreements and disclosure, check the checkbox and click continue. When you see this page, your account opening application has been submitted and will be reviewed and approved within 3 hours. You will receive an SMS once the review is done. In my case, the account was approved within 5 minutes. Wow, the tiger is so fast! Download and log in to the Tiger Broker app. Under Quotes tab, this is where you can check all the prices of stocks and ETFs. You can navigate through the stock list of different countries or using the search bar to search for the company name or ticker. Click on the heart shape to add the stock or ETF into your watch list. Under Community tab, you will see lots of stocks and ETF news and articles posted by Tiger Broker users. You can start writing articles too to get followers and build your own community. Under Discover tab, my favorite part is the calendar, which lists down the major events of the company in your watch list, such as dividend date, earnings report date, stock split date, and etc. Under Portfolio tab, as a new member, you will see this page. Click Try Out Paper account to activate a demo account with 100,000 US dollar fund for you to test out the investment products. To switch between your demo account and Prime account, you just have to click on the top left to change. Under Me tab, this is where you can get your referral code to refer your friends and family. Besides, you can sign in every day, complete some daily and achievement missions to earn Tiger Coin. The Tiger Coins can be used to exchange for stocks vouchers, which give direct discount when you are buying a stock. Besides, please also check your reward center and remember to claim your video card and commission free trade rewards within 20 days after your registration. For your account safety, go to Settings, Security Settings, 2-Step Verification Management, click Enable 2-Step Verification, download and install Tiger Key to activate it. To make a deposit, go to Portfolio, click Deposit. You can use DDA to do a one-time linkage with your DBS or POSB bank account. Click on DDA, click Start, click Use My Digibank Login. Log into your DBS or POSB bank to complete the DDA setup. For bank transfer method, click Bank Transfer at the deposit page. Click Deposit with SGD. Log into your iBanking app. Do a fast transfer by copying the recipient account number, recipient name, and payment reference. Select DBS or POSB under bank name. For the amount, I input as 2000 SGD for my first deposit because I want to claim my lucky draw chance to win up to 1 Tesla share. Guan Ning Ma, let me win Tesla share, okay?
那好吧。
You can also do a pay now to Tiger Brokers Singapore using their UEN number too. After you have successfully made the payment, screenshot your bank transfer receipt, go to Tiger Brokers app and click I have transferred. Click Upload Transfer Details. Click Add Bank Account if you haven't added your bank. Input your bank account details accordingly and click Save. At the transfer amount, select SGD, input the amount you have just transferred. Click to upload the screenshot of your transfer receipt and click Submit and notify Tiger. I received the fund in my Tiger Brokers account within 5 minutes. Wow! Tiger Brokers will send you a confirmation email once the deposit is successful. To claim the stock voucher, go to Me tab, click Reward Center, click Activate to activate it. If you deposit 2,000 Singapore dollar or more, you can claim your lucky draw in Me tab. Scroll down and click Welcome Bundle. Scroll down and click the Draw button to start your draw. Tesla share, Tesla share, Tesla share. Aiya, why give me Twitter share leh? Elon Musk also don't want to buy already. If you are buying US stock or ETF, remember to exchange your SGD into USD first before taking any action. In your portfolio, click on Currency Exchange. Select SGD on top to exchange into USD. Click Confirm. Input the SGD amount you want to exchange and click Start Exchange. Check the order details and click Confirm. Go to Quotes. Find the stock in the search bar or click it from your watchlist if you have already added it. Click Trade. Click Buy. There are a few order types here, but we will mostly use limit or market order. If you use market order, you will buy the stock immediately at market's best price. If you choose limit order, you will be able to input the price that you wish to purchase, input the quantity. For the time enforced, day means the order will be cancelled if it is not filled within the trading day. For good till cancelled, your order will wait till it is filled or till you cancel it manually. For few outside regular trading hour, we will just select Not Allowed as liquidity is low before regular trading hour and could lead to high volatility. Click Place Buy Order. Check your order and click Confirm. Done. Now your order is placed and you can check all your orders at Portfolio Orders. To sell a stock, go to Portfolio, click on the stock you have, click Sell. There are many order types too, but we mostly use market order or limit order. For limit order, we can input the price that we wish to sell, input the quantity, select time enforced and not allowed for it to fill outside regular trading hour, click Place Sell Order, check the details and click Confirm. You can also check your order at Orders too. To withdraw the money to your bank, go to Portfolio and use Currency Exchange to convert back to your withdrawal currency first. After that, click More, Withdraw, select Withdraw SGD, select your bank account, input the withdrawal amount, choose your withdrawal reason and the note is optional. Click Next, click Get Code, key in the code sent to your message and click Confirm. Done. I received the fund in my bank within 7 minutes. Tiger Broker, really power. If you have any question, feel free to comment down below or join our Telegram channel and group to chat with us. Sometimes we do share some useful stocks and ETF info within the group too. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.